For the blended learning class, and I'm going to be showing you an app called Doceri, which is something that I used during the spring for my own remote learning classroom. So I'm using this from my iPad. You can also do it from your computer. These are a ton of lessons that I created during the spring for remote learning, and I have them saved and they're edited so that I can go back and use them again if I need to do the same lessons this spring digitally. So I'm going to enter this lesson. It's 6.4.1, doubling and halving with banners. This is a 5th grade lesson. One thing that I really love about Doceri is that we have this timeline at the top. If you see the white bar with all of the red dots, it's a timeline of everything that I've written on this presentation. So I can take this little rectangle and I can slide it along the top, and it kind of just goes backwards and forwards with everything that I've written. All of these red pinpoints are actually stop points that I've created. So basically I use those to stop the presentation at a particular point so that students can read something or so that they can take some time to work. So I'll show you what I mean by that. Here I'm going to click the right arrow and a problem shows up, and we would read this problem out loud, and then I have all of this pre-made, the space for the equation and for the work, and as they're sharing their answers, I can model what I've already pre-created for them, so I don't have to waste time during remote learning drawing all of this out. So one great thing that I like about this is not only can you basically pre-make all of your lessons, pre-create all of your writing, you can also draw on top of everything. So even though I have all of this writing done and I already have all of my stop points set, I could still just draw right on top of it if I wanted to, and now that's added to the timeline. So it's really helpful because you can pre-plan so much, but you can also add student thinking as you go. So this was a really helpful tool for me, and hopefully other people find it useful for remote learning as well.